channel. K0PIR here with Mr. B, and we are Orlando bound. Follow us on APRS. Thanks for watching. 73. Okay, Mr. B, let's stop here and eat some breakfast. Take our time, get the map straightened out, and figure out where we're going to stop tonight. Here we are at our favorite spot, Planet Fitness. Okay, Mr. B, let's stop here. I'm going to go inside and wash up, and then we'll eat some breakfast, get our map squared away, and find out where we're going to spend the night tonight. But we've got some driving to do, and you probably want to go for a walk, right, buddy? Okay, remember you can follow us on APRS. I'm having a little trouble with my radio, but it is sending the analog APRS data. Parking. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Doesn't look like it to me. Let's stop here, buddy, and take a walk, okay? Tifton, Georgia. There's a Walmart, and I don't think they allow overnight parking there. All the ones that I've stopped at do not. So I'm just gonna take a wild guess and say they probably don't either. It looks busy over there too. So the next place, or the best place, is Cracker Barrel. And there has only been one Cracker Barrel in my experience to turn me away. And I think that was in Louisiana, or it could have been Mississippi. But normally they will allow RVs to spend the night, and I get dinner and breakfast, so I feel like I'm a customer there, and not just mooching off of them. So I'm going to turn right up here, 0.7 miles, looking at my map. I thought I saw the sign, but I guess that was a Shell sign. I ought to go in here and get some gas. I think that's a good idea. So here we go. Let's pull in here and get some gas. My gas station, yes sir. Okay, here we go. What do you think of that, Mr. B? What you think, buddy? Shell gas and Cracker Barrel. Yeah, boy. Okay. You know, I think we might have stated this one before too. And they all get to look pretty familiar, don't they? Yeah, well, I see a big truck up there, so let's see what kind of parking they got. Okay, there we go. Go around back and see what we can find. There's a good spot right there. There's a good spot. Get the sun. That, where's RV parking? Where is the RV parking? Here it is. We came in the back way. Bus and RV. Oh boy, I know. I think it is. Okay, Mr. B, let's go get some dinner. Call your Uncle Dan. Work on a video. Watch a little TV. Maybe get on the radio. And then get to bed. We're going to get up tomorrow and head south on I-75. Well, I'm going to end this video here. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Follow me on APRS and 73. Hope to see you at HamCation.